Welcome to another Arizona Airgun hunter adventure. Today's adventure takes place on the south side of my permission. I'll be targeting the feral pigeon. The day started out as a normal day, but as I walked about, I saw that there are a lot more cows in the pens than normal. Having more cows in the pen could make it difficult to target the pigeon that are roaming about. I knew that I would have to be extra careful in targeting the pigeon around the cows. Everywhere I went, the cows would approach my position, making it even more difficult to target the pigeon. I'm shooting my AirForce Condor in 25 cal, and I'm utilizing the 36.2 grain slugs in SA. This first shot occurs at 45 yards. Sorry for the blur. This next shot occurs at 35 yards. I'm shooting through a small clearing between two poles. I wait for the pigeon to settle down, and I take the shot. It's a good clean kill. Let's see that shot again. In this shot, you can see the slug tracking straight to the pigeon's vitals. Pigeon down. I spot this guy at about 50 yards, and he too takes a hard hit and is down instantly. Shortly after the shot, a cow approaches and is glaring straight down my scope. In this shot, I go prone, and I patiently await for a target to present itself. As you can see, there are numerous birds roaming about where the cows are feeding, but I have to wait patiently for this guy to step out and present itself. He's down. This pigeon I dubbed the Batman pigeon. This is one tough critter. He takes a hard hit from the NSA 36.2 grain slugs and recovers. At this point, I'm thinking, what the? But let's see it in slow motion. You can see the energy of the slug being dumped in the crop of the pigeon as he goes down. But somehow, he recovers and stands. So I reload for a follow-up shot. He hops over a few inches and stands as if to say, I'm still here. Is that all you got? This pigeon is 45 yards out. At this point, he's sitting down, succumbing to his wounds. I line up my sights and I take him with a headshot. Let's see that shot again. It's a good headshot as he flops around, nerves firing uncontrollably. He expires in the position of the Batman signal. I'm lying prone and I spot this guy about 45 yards coming in hot. I quickly line up my sights and I take him with a shot to the crop. He flips around and expires. This unsuspecting guy was taken at 50 yards. I spotted this guy at about 35 yards around the corner of a building. He had no clue I was there, and it's pigeon down. I spotted this pigeon at about 65 yards roaming about the cow's pen. I take him with a good hard long shot, and again, it's pigeon down. Here I'm prone again, waiting for an unsuspecting pigeon to step clear of the feeding cows. And I have a target, and it's pigeon down. I spotted this pigeon at 30 yards in the cow's pen. He's totally oblivious to my presence. I take him with a heart-long shot, and he's down. I spot this guy at 30 yards on top of the rail of one of the cows' pens. One of the cows appeared to be irritated with it as he gives him a nudge to move on. I adjust my position and take aim. I squeeze the trigger and it's pigeon down. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.